It is control source code and developing softwares. Git how to download install on Windows 10 and 11 operating system. Browser open, Google search box lo git download enter key press. git-scn.com first link downloads click. Git official redirectory web page complete display. Download section lo supporting OS, first one Mac OS, second one Windows, third one Linux and Unix. Git latest version, latest source release 2.50.1 and release note date 2025-06 and 6. Second option Windows click. Download for Windows section lo two options display. First one stand alone installer, second one portable. First option Git for Windows x64 setup click. Download section lo Git iPhone latest version 2.50.1 iPhone 64-bit.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 66.7 MB. Wait and hear. Downloading process completing. Process completed. Next installation setup process. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Git exe setup file display. Select mouse double click. Git for Windows first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Git setup window lo GNU general public license application related complete information display. Read out once first button next click. Select destination location. Installation Git application path and location display. Local disk C program files newly created folder Git. Change the another one drive browse button click. Present unnecessary second button next click. Select components. Which components should be installed? Middle section lo components options display. First one additional icons create on desktop shortcut. Left side box tick mark set mouse left click. Second button next click. Select start menu folder name Git default set. Second button next click. Choosing the default editor used by Git. Box right side down arrow click. Use Visual Studio Code as Git default editor option select. Second button next click. Adjusting the name of the initial branch in new repositories section lo two options display. Second option override the default branch name for the new repositories. Left side circle tick mark set. Second button next click. Adjusting your path environment. Second option default tick mark set. Support third party softwares. Second button next click. Choose the SSH executable secure shell window lo two options display. First one use bundled open SSH tick mark set. Second button next click. Choosing HTTPS transport backends window lo two options display. First one choose the open SSL library circle tick mark set. Second button next click. Configuring the line ending conversions window lo three options display. First one check out Windows style default tick mark set. Second button next click. Configuring the terminal emulator to use with Git Bash default. First one tick mark set. Second button next click. Choose the default బిహేవియర్ ఆఫ్ గిట్ పుల్ విండోలో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఆప్షన్ ఫాస్ట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఆర్ మెర్జ్ డిఫాల్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ టిక్ మార్క్ సెట్ సెకండ్ బటన్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లిక్ చూజ్ ఏ క్రెడెన్షియల్ హెల్పర్ విండోలో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ గిట్ క్రెడెన్షియల్ మేనేజర్ డిఫాల్ట్ టిక్ మార్క్ సెట్ సెకండ్ బటన్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లిక్ కాన్ఫిగరింగ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఆప్షన్స్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఎనేబుల్ ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ క్యాచింగ్ left side box tick mark set second button install click installing please wait while setup install git on your computer application related files installation process start files extracting in local disk C program files newly created folder git installation process completing until wait and hear few minutes create desktop shortcut display completing the git setup wizard window lo first one launch git bash left side box tick mark set finish button click shell window display git installation verify windows search box lo cmd type first option command prompt select enter key press after successful installation commands in window git space --version enter key press